Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put money in your Exodus wallet. First, understand that Exodus is a self-custody wallet, meaning you control your private keys and thus your assets. To add funds, you'll typically transfer cryptocurrency from another wallet or an exchange. We'll cover the simple steps to ensure your assets arrive safely and efficiently, whether you're sending existing crypto or buying new assets. This process is straightforward once you know the key details. There are two main ways to fund your Exodus wallet. The most common is transferring cryptocurrency you already own from another wallet or a centralized exchange. Alternatively, you can use Exodus's integrated services to buy crypto directly with fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, through third-party providers. Always confirm that the specific cryptocurrency you intend to send is supported by your Exodus wallet to avoid any issues. To begin, open your Exodus wallet and navigate to the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Click on the Receive button to display your unique wallet address. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Then, go to your external wallet or exchange, paste the copied address into the Send field, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the address before finalizing. For maximum security, always double-check the entire receive address before initiating any transfer. A single incorrect character can result in permanent loss of funds. For larger amounts, it's wise to send a small test transaction first to ensure everything works correctly. Remember, your private keys are your responsibility. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.